So guys, I prepared today bitter gourd or ampalaya with some eggs, little bit of black pepper, little bit of chicken cubes, and little bit of salt to taste. So this is very simple dish for lunch, guys. Very simple but healthy. And how to cook bitter gourd? It's supposed to be still green. We keep it green, so or half cook. It's better because if we overcook it, it will become yellowish. So it's very nice to eat when it's still green. It's still healthy. Looks healthy. So this is it, guys, for our lunch for today. Simple but healthy, and this is yummy. So eat healthy, guys, and stay healthy. So we have to take care our health because health is life. So please continue watching, guys, for the next upload for the healthy foods and healthy living. Thank you, guys, for watching, and please support my channel. Thank you. And we have rice, of course, some rice and some fruits, watermelon. So guys, this is our simple lunch for today. I'm having lunch with my firstborn because she is working in a bank here close to my house. So this is our simple lunch, guys. Simple but very healthy. No need to prepare too much, guys, because you know there is so many people are hungry this moment, so enough like that. So thank you, guys. Hello, guys. This is my simple snack. Simple but healthy because it's more on fruits. I have a piece of cupcake and one egg, boiled egg, and I love coffee. Coffee is always there. Some pieces of apple and mango. So that is my snack, guys. It is quite healthy. For me, this is healthy. So you can have your snack also, the healthy snack as you choose. And for me, I really like it, guys. So please join to my channel, guys, and please continue watching, and thank you so much for watching. So I will not show you when I eat this because you know I cannot always do that because you know I have work also to do. So I just can show you what kind of my snack, healthy snack. So I hope you two guys keep on eating healthy foods, because life is too short, so we have to take care our health. So this coffee is my favorite drinks. So see, guys. So this is it, guys. I hope you enjoy, and thank you so much, guys. Tonight my dinner is green salad with mixed fruits and piece of milk fish and balut. Here, this is balut. And then piece of milk fish with onions on top, some tomato, and mixed fruits, that is orange, watermelon, apple, and mango, and English lettuce. So it's very healthy, guys, especially for dinner. You can also have it for snack because we have it with my daughter. So this is very nice, guys. And And it's very nice also if you can put some crab stick. I forgot to buy, so I have only fish and fruits. And this is very yummy, guys. If you love to eat salad, you can put it with some mixed fruits, so it will be really nutritious and healthy. So that is good for dinner and also good for snack. So I hope you enjoy, guys, my preparation for dinner, a healthy dinner. And if you like this video, please don't forget to click like button. Oh my gosh, I forgot. Yes, like button and also the bell to keep you notified for all the uploads I will make and for the next video. So it's all about healthy food. Stay healthy and live life to the fullest. So eat healthy to make our life long and stronger. So strong every day. So this is it for today, guys, and I hope you support my channel, and please don't forget to click subscribe button. Thank you, guys, at hanggang sa muli, mga